Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Chai token limit reach. To do this, it's very simple. We only have a few options or alternatives. In this case, the problem can occur when we are in a country with a very strict limit, such as India, Brazil, or among others. What we could do in this case would be to use a VPN, a virtual private network, with which we are going to be able to change our location, and with it we will also have more access to what is in this case Chai. Another option will be refreshing our session in case the application sometimes tends to bug out even when we have already had or should have our tokens again, so we will have to restart the application. In the event that we have to unclear the cache, it's very simple. We only go to the settings area of our device. Once here, we are going to head to the app section where we are going to search for Chai. Once we find the Chai app, the only thing we'll have to do is select the app. After selecting the app, we'll click where it says force stop, then go to the storage area and clear the cache. Once this is done, we will open the app and check if it's already fixed for us. And finally, we have the last option, which is the one that's going to appear next. As we can see, here we have two subscriptions, which among the things they allow us, for example, it will avoid ads, would also be unlimited message, which will be an option in case you want to pay. And that's it.